connection, without a follow, without a mention. You really piping up on these niggas. You gotta be nice for what?
We're gonna go do a couple maintenances. We're gonna do 2 homes for like 1 homeowner. I think out in Palm Desert. And then I think we're gonna finish the day out in Palm Springs. So let's see how this goes.
That's at Diamond Dave.
Oh my god, I lost my phone over here. Oh my god. See that? All the pressure. 2 straps. 3 more. Okay, what's that truck? 2. That's the recording's quality. So I'll be able to chop this off. I can die. And that's what's it though. Right. Right, how many? Has to be 16. 16 by 4. Okay. 16 by 4. What's wrong? Yeah, I think so. Like 100 something. 4. Doesn't have to be the size. And those are yeah, not yeah. Ooh. Oh no. Yeah. I mean, what kind? Oh, boxes, yeah. Yeah. What else? Yeah, I like this one. Now you know what? You try Lowe's? Yeah. Man, that's this one. That's like, yeah. Well, 50, I don't know. 50 now. We didn't have it. 50. I'm gonna do, there's a lot of, there's like parking measurements. You know, the license, because we have seen that a little bit. I guess. Alright. Alright, thank you. This one here. Where am I right now? Right here in the Palm Desert. I have to swap these. I have to swap 2 of them. So, that's a suck. Yeah, that's those. Those are right. Got me sound. This one's good. Let's see what it's called. I should check those at the house. I got this one, but it's just 1. I'll just finish here. Right up there. Right there. Yeah, this house and this house. We're gonna see each other. Check these. I'm sure these are going to the rest of the time. 2 strips. 2 by 4. This yeah, oh, this is good. I just gotta train that one. Okay, we shall turn. That's all swap it. Towards the end. Sneakers. Side door now too. So just that one. Yeah, so just that one. Other ones. I didn't know. I just want to swap. Sorry. Sheesh. I think I solid. So, these good. I'll swap my options. I'll finish. That's insane. There you go. I mean, it's pretty good. It's pretty cool. 40% TSM. It's not what I thought. These recordings. Forgot how to use this. Sheesh. It's a long hard press to turn it on, then short press to record. So I gotta learn that. Don't forget. What else? No, that should be it. Marker, short enough. So, second recording. Research. One more. Just got this. 145. Pretty sure you check these games. Forward. Yeah, good. Stretches. Stands like insert. CO2. Make. Come in. Come in. Okay. Calm down. 586. Ah. Ah, nih. Aduh ya. Masih cold. Ayo. Sini saya. So I got those running. That one. So I'm not calling. This baby washed. Probably should document. I was gonna get my ass whooped. That for upload to upload. I don't think I got the tag off of this one. Let's see if I can get it real quick. Should have it on file though. Shit. I gotta get that down real quick. Little giants right there. Regardless, still clean that baby. These are practically new. I should wash them off. Wash them off real quick. Have a hose up here. Really not that bad. Damn. Bad. video for this maintenance. How to go back and exchange a 4-inch filter to the right size. So far the technology, the overall, just how easy it is to just record. Like, I don't have to mount the camera and then press play from it. And I just found this out right now. I have a screen right here. This little portable little screen station. Dude, if you enjoy recording yourself and you want at least some flexibility, because I know for some POV cameras, like I have metas, and sometimes, you know, I have my hands tied. I don't want to have to, you know, something, you know, it does have to speak to record, but, you know, the funny thing is I can't view myself either until I get on the app and see what the video looks like. Right here, I'm recording real time, and I can definitely see how it's recording on this little camera here. This is like a little station. I have a perfect live view of what I'm recording, and it's only gonna help me create better videos. It's only gonna help me do a little bit better on what I'm capturing. So I like that a lot. I mean, I'm mainly gonna use this for work. I've only ever bought these recording devices for my job, but I can see myself using this for road trips, for freaking vacations. And this thing takes pictures too, so it's pretty legit. So I like it a lot. The first day bringing it to work, it's a night and day from how I can use it, and I only just got it yesterday. So that says a lot, because there's a lot of the setup part of it was not bad at all. It's not really that big of a deal. But once you start using it and everything, it's like, it's the best. I really enjoy this camera a lot. I have it on this little suction cup mounting on my window here for the van, so it's pretty good. There's also a hat clip. There's just so many things that you can do with it, and it's just really awesome. I don't see myself even thinking about replacing it at all with any other one, unless it, like, you know, breaks or something. But dude, it's so good. All right, let's get back to the job. This is my next sure. So let's have this off. It's cold right now. My last call. Set up. And that's for that property. That's this property. That is someone. This one I have filters. 465. I really don't know. I just. But it doesn't have. So. Let's see that. Okay. Alright, so this one's kind of like the last one. Oh, damn. Oh.